you a girl? No. Are you a boy? No. Then what are you?
I am an idiot.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Damn, y'all depressed as fuck.
You didn't clap either.
Shut.
People say I have a unique way of lighting up the room. It's called arson, and those people are witnesses.
And if you call me a bitch, make sure to put sensitive in front of it. You whack asshole.
Oh my god. Are you gay? Prove it.
It is a virgin, boy, don't get nervous.
Yeah, okay. Oh.
They told me I could be anything. So I became a gremlin with mental health issues and a caffeine addiction. What's up?